Hello everyone. In this video, we will take some examples of converting an octal number system to a decimal number system. In lecture 2 of this course, we did study how to convert a binary number system to a decimal number system. Now we will use the same law to convert the octal number system to the decimal number system. This law is used to convert from any number system to the decimal number system. Let us take an example and see how to use this law. Convert the octal number 1005 to the decimal number. By applying the above law, we take the first right digit, this 5, and multiply it by the base 8 to the power of 0, plus the next left digit, this 0, multiply it by the base 8 to the power of 1, plus the next left digit, this 0, multiply it by the base 8 to the power of 2, plus the last digit, this 1, multiply it by the base 8 to the power of 3. This equal to 5 times 1 plus O times 8 plus O times 64 plus 1 times 512. This equal to 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 512 equal to 517. So the number 1005 in octal is equal to 517 in decimal. Let us take another example with a decimal point. Convert the octal number 726.71 to the decimal number. For convenience, we will take the number as two parts, the integer part and the fractional part, then add the two converted parts together. First, we will convert the integer part, which is 726. By applying the previous law, we take the first right digit, this 6, and multiply it by the base 8 to the power of 0, plus the next left digit, this 2, multiply it by the base 8 to the power of 1, plus the next left digit, this 7, multiply it by the base 8 to the power of 2. This equal to 6 times 1 plus 2 times 8 plus 7 times 64 equal to 6 plus 16 plus 448. And this is equal to 470. So the number 726 in octal is equal to 470 in decimal. Now we will convert the fractional part, which is 0.71. To convert the fractional number, we will take the first digit after the decimal point, this 7, and multiply it by the base 8 to the power of minus 1, plus the next digit, this 1, multiply it by the base 8 to the power of minus 2. This equal to 7 times 1 over 8 plus 1 times 1 over 64 equal to 7 times 0.125 plus 1 times 0.015625. And this is equal to 0.890625. So the number 0.71 in octal is equal to 0.890625 in decimal. Now we will add the two converted parts together. The converted integer part was 470 plus the converted fractional part, which is 0.890625. This is equal to 470.890625. So the number 726.71 in octal is equal to 470.890625 in decimal. This course is sponsored by the Logic Kit app, where this app is made for teachers and students that are involved in studying the computer. With the Logic Kit app, you can learn and solve number systems and boolean algebra with step-by-step solutions. Let's use this app and convert an octal number to a decimal number and see how this app explains the steps. In the Convert Number section of this app, we select the input base, which is 8, and the output base, which is 10, and write an octal number, for example, 665.23. As we can see, the equivalent decimal number is 437.296875. Now let's see the steps. As you can see, the app first converted the integer part of the number by applying this law and doing the calculations with explained step by step that you can follow to understand the solution. Then you see the steps of how to convert the fractional part of the number. Also, the steps are explained very well. At the end, it added the two converted parts and gave the final solution. This app is giving you the ability to convert from any base to any base up to base 36. Also, by this app, you can find the complements and do arithmetic between numbers in different bases. In the Boolean algebra section, you can do a lot of things, like minimize the functions, solve the Karnaugh map, deal with the truth table, and many other things. I will leave the link to download the Logic Kit app from the App Store in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow us on Facebook, and visit our website. All links are in the description.